Hey everybody, my name is Kris Gethin, and today I'm going to talk to you about the KAGED Muscle Micropure Whey Protein Isolate. This is the first protein that I like to take in the morning. I like to mix it with my oats, with a chocolate flavor or vanilla flavor, so I have a beautiful tasting breakfast in the morning, but it's also going to enhance my muscle protein synthesis. Perfect for me right now trying to gain muscle. You can also take it in between meals to continue to enhance that muscle protein synthesis throughout the day. Now it's also instantized with sunflower lecithin over soy lecithin that a lot of other companies use. We are also naturally flavored and naturally colored. One of the main components of our protein though is that we have a pro-hydrolyzed enzyme inside, which breaks down that protein fraction into an even smaller fraction for easier digestibility, which a lot of other proteins do not provide. So if you want to enhance that muscle protein synthesis and enhance those gains, try the KAGED Muscle Micropure Whey Protein Isolate.